Hi, let me meet you.
You don't meet me with that now. You don't.
What's your name?
How did the body? Hi.
Adi the body. So what comes to your mind first whenever it's raining?
Nothing now. My friend is saying you really men. Nothing comes to my mind. What comes to my mind is peace of mind. I want to sleep alone. Alone. Anybody that thinks otherwise, you're gonna go to fire because I don't think the way you're thinking. I just want to pray to God in a cold weather and God, tea and duvet. Yeah.
What if it's weather for two?
And they write time now say weather for two because my God creates time say weather for two. Abi very stupid. He wants me to say something but and I'm not gonna say it. That reply you are looking for it's not here you're gonna see it. I don't have husband. I'm single so there's no I want to call you. Ibi tó ń lọ nìyẹn. Not to insult me. Akpari. Why?
Okay, Papia, what comes to your mind first whenever it's raining?
I spray clothes outside after come back.
Whenever it's raining.
And now I spray clothes outside. Is there clothes outside? There is no clothes, so do you get either one of those two? Do I have to go and pack my clothes or not? That will come to my mind whenever it's raining. Thank you very much.
What if weather for two?
Do they used to label it? Like, how do you know whether it's weather for two? Like, do they used to announce whether for tomorrow or like explain? No, help me. I don't understand the question, sir. You have agenda.
Hi, I'm doing billionaire.
Oh, I can't
AKA
pronounce
Dice
that.
Pine.
AKA what?
Dice Pine. Just say Dice Pine.
Okay, so what comes to your mind first whenever it's raining?
Wow. First of all, it's Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. That's what goes to my mind. Also, alternatively, my mind goes to someone's girlfriend's about to go down. So another man's house.
Someone's girlfriend.
Yeah.
Not your girlfriend.
Nah, I don't do such.
Like all this neighbor that used to
I wear glasses. I mean, low cuts.
Netflix and
send
chill?
somebody. Netflix and what?
chill.
No, I don't know.
Or they come watch Baby Ninja.
No, I don't do all those kind of things. So I'm purely virgin.
You don't look like one.
And they write up of it.
My name is B32T.
Oh. Okay, so what comes to your mind whenever it's raining? What comes to your mind first?
Well, is my clothes outside? Or it depends. If it's at work, rain does spoil my market for me. But if it's at home, do I have clothes outside and then I want to take a nap? That's it.
So your friend just said you are selling condoms.
Oh
So is that the
damn!
business?
Okay, so yes, that's the best time for me to sell my products. That's the best time. So I have people coming for Viagra, Viga, Joe Scandal, and the likes,
So what do you do? What do you do exactly?
I'm a pharmacist.
Okay, as a pharmacist, how do you feel when a lady that is very young comes to you and be like, oh, she wants to buy Prostano?
I don't feel anyhow. I feel like I'm helping somebody not to get pregnant.
Mm.